Hey there, welcome to the Weekly Roundup Report with Chloe's Auto Repair and Tire. Today we're at the Town Lake location. Let's go see what's going on. Lacey, what you got going?
This car came in for, it wouldn't turn over, jumped it off, tested the battery tested 3%. The negative terminal also had a lot of corrosion on it. So right now we're replacing the battery, doing a battery service to clean that corrosion off. It might actually end up needing a cable. And then we're gonna do an oil change and a dry cycle on it.
Awesome, thank you. All right, on this Ford Raptor right here, it came in for overheating. We are doing a water pump, thermostat, rechecking the cooling system. Once that's replaced, we'll keep you posted. Cyrus, what are you working on?
Well, Dee, I am doing an inspection on one of the Edge Electric's new trucks.
Awesome.
Currently doing it also.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Nicholas, what you working on this morning?
I'm working on this 2019 Dodge Ram, doing valve cover gaskets. It came in with the misfire. I was able to pull the spark plugs, check them, and swap the coils around. Both of them were fine. Ended up finding out it was an injector that was faulty. Cleaned out the injector, and now it's working perfectly fine.
Awesome. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Thanks for joining us today at the Town Lake location with Chloe's Auto Repair and Tire. We'll see you next time.